Hello, do you like to complain a lot? Then if you're here, please stop scrolling. Hello, I'm Elisa, I'm a life coach and you're a healer, and I'm helping you to heal, develop, and expand your consciousness to higher levels, mainly from narcissistic abuse and toxicity. And of course, to reconnect with your higher and greatest self, your true version of yourself. So if you're here because you usually are complaining a lot and can't find a way to stop it because, life is painful, you're suffering a lot, I tell you, please stop doing that. You're actually attracting more of it. And before you say anything, the universe listens to our vibration, not our thoughts, our vibration. So our thoughts are the catalysts of us lowering our vibrational frequency and feeling depressed and sad because of situations and the overthinking and complaining that we are in our lives. And if you tell me, oh Elisa, but now I cannot complain, now I have to pretend to be positive. No, I never said you have to use toxic positivity. That's super unhealthy and toxic. The real thing is that you can have some time for complaints and then you think of solutions to shift your vibration and to get out of the situation. Follow for more.